The 2020 TX SUV shares its platform with the Toyota Grand Highlander and is replacing the previous generation XL3-row SUV. In the Lexus lineup, the RXL was never particularly roomy in the rearmost seat, but the TX offers plenty of space for adults to settle in back there. The TX offers a plethora of luxury features. The Toyota version is already plenty pleasant inside to justify the Lexus badge, including available semi-aniline leather upholstery and a 21-speaker Mark Levinson stereo system. 3 different powertrains are offered, including 2 hybrids, one of which is a plug-in.
Entry-level models are powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder, and the plug-in hybrid makes a stout 404 horsepower and offers 33 miles of electric-only driving range. What's new for 2024? The TX is an all-new model for the Lexus brand, and it's set to go on sale in fall 2023. The TX is offered in 3 different flavors, including a 404 HP plug-in hybrid called TX550H+. We'd recommend the TX350 Luxury, as it adds desirable upscale features, such as semi-aniline leather upholstery, 10-way power-adjustable front seats, a heated steering wheel, and heated second-row seats. We'd also add the technology package, which adds a 12.3-inch gauge display, a digital rear-view mirror, a head-up display, and a parking assist system. Engine, transmission, and performance. Models wearing the TX350 badge are powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine. This entry-level powertrain makes 275 ponies and comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. The TX550H Sport Performance ups the ante, with standard all-wheel drive and the addition of a hybrid assist system that boosts horsepower to 366 ponies. This model comes with a 6-speed automatic, rather than an 8-speed. The most powerful version of the TX, however, is the TX550H, which uses a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a plug-in hybrid system to generate 404 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard on the TX550H, as is a continuously variable automatic transmission on the road. The TX350 feels more sluggish than its hybrid siblings, but its quiet and comfortable ride will likely satisfy the hordes of luxury-oriented families who will consider the TX an option. Opting for one of the 2 hybrid powertrains brings perkier acceleration, and we estimate that the quicker of the 2 will hit 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds with the F-Sport treatment. The TX is a competent handler, and we were impressed with it through some of Austin, Texas's twisty hill country, but over rough pavement. The suspension upgrades for those models deliver